Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put YouTube video on WhatsApp status. So first of all, what you have to do is open the YouTube application, right? Now what you have to do is simply open the video that you want to put. Simply open the video. Now wait for it. Now what you have to do is simply tap on share button at the middle of the screen. You can see a share button here. Simply tap on share, and now what you have to do is simply tap on copy link, right? Simply tap on copy link. Now what you have to do is go to your WhatsApp. Now go to the status section. Now all you have to do is tap on this my status option. Simply tap on my status, and now simply click a blank photo. Simply click a blank photo like this. Now at the top you can see a T option that will make you enable to type text. Now all you have to do is tap and hold on the screen and tap on paste, right? And it will paste your copy link. Now simply tap on the top left corner of the screen. There is a done option. Simply tap on done. Now all you have to do is tap on this airplane button at the bottom right corner, and the YouTube video on WhatsApp status will be posted. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.